Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone is online on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know if someone is online on Snapchat, first open up our Snapchat app, and there are two ways you can know if somebody is online on Snapchat app, guys. So in order to do that, first go to your account and scroll down to your my friends list, where you can see, guys, there is the my friends. Tap on it, and over here open up your account and type a message, guys, and send a message. I can see, and let's go back to the messaging section of our Snapchat from over here, and you can see the messaging icon. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see there is the delivered option available for us just 22 seconds ago. And if you see over here, there is the open option showing, or the open category showing. And if you want to know if someone is online or not on Snapchat, guys, they will have to open it, and after opening it, guys, the message will be shown as open, and that way it will be sure that that person is online on Snapchat. And another way is, guys, just open their profile, and there will be a green dot at the side of that account if they are online. And with that being said, guys, let's go back, and you can see, guys, there are online accounts over here with the green at the right side of that account. And this is also a way how you can know if somebody is online on Snapchat or not. With that being said, guys, this is how to know if someone is online or Snapchat or not. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.